Welcome back to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Midnight Doona, just kind of showing you up close and personal how gorgeous it really is. This is just the regular Doona in the Greyhound color, just to kind of compare and contrast the new features. If you've watched our Doona overview video before, you'll kind of know the features of the Doona, and those haven't changed. It's still going to go from car seat to stroller in seconds. Super functional, really easy to use, really easy to install, and all of those things have stayed the same. This is just gonna provide a more luxurious look. So let's kind of show you the differences between the two. You can tell right off the bat that first of all, the Doona Midnight is gonna come with this really pretty essentials bag. It's gonna match the same color and this like really gorgeous hand stitched textured diamond pattern that is also inside the car seat. And it's gonna have kind of these really beautiful darker features. The bag itself is gonna have a couple pockets. There are these two little ones up front. Those would be great for like diapers, wipes, anything like that. There are two side pockets that would be really great for bottles or a water bottle. And then obviously you have the bigger compartment with one pocket in here, a big pocket that holds a changing mat. This is going to be more useful in like the stroller function. It's just gonna kind of sit right on the handlebar, just kind of give you that extra storage room because there's obviously not a lot of storage room with this car seat. Once we take that off, you can see that comparatively, this Doona has like a plastic handlebar, still really sleek and functional, but this has like a leather handlebar with some hand stitch features. It just looks a little bit more elevated. You can also see that diamond stitch pattern inside, really pretty. And then on the canopies, you'll see obviously besides the logo change, this is going to be kind of a darker logo just to kind of wrap up that really dark midnight black look. It's also going to have some leather piping again, just kind of adding a little bit more of that luxurious feel into the car seat. Overall, they've just tried to use a little bit darker colors so you can see that like the metal itself is a little bit darker. Overall, it's gonna be the same amazing, functional, easy to use car seat to stroller combination. You're gonna keep all of that functionality, all of those amazing features. We're just gonna sort of elevate the taste of it, add some gorgeous details, just give it a little bit of style. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Doona product or any of the products you see behind me in the video, go ahead and shop them over at babycubby.com. Any order over $25 ships for free. If you want to see us unbox the Doona Midnight, click right here to check that out. If you like content like this, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, and we will come back next time.